Imagine a life without financial worries. Picture waking up on a tropical beach. The sun is warm on your skin. You sip your coffee, feeling relaxed and content. This is what financial freedom in retirement can look like. Retirement shouldn't be about just scraping by. It should be about enjoying the fruits of your labor, traveling the world, spending time with loved ones, pursuing passions you never had time for. But achieving this dream requires planning. You need to be smart about your money today to secure a comfortable tomorrow. This guide is your roadmap to building a $4 million tax-free retirement account. We'll break down the steps to get there. Let's get started. Enter the Roth IRA, your secret weapon for tax-free retirement income. This powerful retirement account allows your money to grow tax-free. Imagine withdrawing money in retirement without worrying about taxes. You contribute after-tax dollars to your Roth IRA. This means you pay taxes up front. But here's the magic. Your money grows tax-free inside the account. And when you retire and start withdrawing, those withdrawals are tax-free. By paying taxes now, you lock in today's rates and potentially save a significant amount in the long run. Stay tuned. Time is your greatest ally when it comes to building wealth. The earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to grow. It's like planting a tree. The sooner you plant it, the taller and stronger it will grow. Let's say you're 25 years old. If you invest $500 a month in a Roth IRA with an average annual return of 7%, you'd have over $1 million by age 65. But if you wait until you're 35 to start investing the same amount, you'd have significantly less, around $500,000. That's the power of time. Procrastination is your enemy. Even if you can only invest a small amount right now, it's better than nothing. Start early, stay consistent, and let time work its magic. You'll be amazed at what you can achieve. To supercharge your Roth IRA, you need to max out your contributions. For 2024, the annual contribution limit is $6,500 or $7,500 if you're 50 or older. That's free money growing tax-free. Think of it like this. Every dollar you don't contribute is a missed opportunity for tax-free growth. Make a commitment to yourself to contribute the maximum amount you can year after year. Set up automatic contributions from your bank account to your Roth IRA. This way, you're investing consistently, even if you forget. Remember, small, consistent contributions add up over time. By maximizing your Roth IRA contributions, you're taking a huge step towards building a substantial and tax-free retirement nest egg. Compound interest, your secret weapon to millions. Compound interest is the secret sauce of investing. It's the snowball effect of earning interest on your interest. In simple terms, your money makes money, and then that money makes more money, and so on. Albert Einstein supposedly called compound interest the eighth wonder of the world. It's a powerful force that can turn small, consistent investments into a substantial fortune over time. The longer your money compounds, the faster it grows. By starting early, maximizing your contributions, and letting your money grow over time, you'll be amazed at how quickly your wealth can snowball. Don't wait for someday. Start now. Start strong. The best time to start investing for retirement was yesterday. The second best time is today. Don't wait for the perfect time or until you have enough money. Start now with whatever you can. It's easy to feel overwhelmed by the thought of retirement planning. But remember, even small steps can lead to big results. Start by opening a Roth IRA today. You don't need a lot of money to get started. Research different investment options and choose a strategy that aligns with your risk tolerance and financial goals. By starting now and staying committed to your goals, you'll be well on your way to achieving financial freedom. The magic of tax-free growth. Watch your money multiply. Now let's talk about the real magic of the Roth IRA tax-free growth. With a traditional IRA or 401k, you get taxed on your withdrawals in retirement. But with a Roth IRA, you've already paid your taxes up front. This means all the growth in your Roth IRA is completely tax-free. It's like having a secret garden where your money grows undisturbed, free from the taxman's reach. Let's say you invest $100,000 in a Roth IRA and it grows to $500,000 by retirement. You get to keep all of that $500,000. No taxes due. Tax-free growth is a game changer for retirement planning. Investment strategies for your Roth IRA. Diversification is key. Now that you understand the power of tax-free growth, let's talk about how to invest your Roth IRA funds. The key is diversification. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments across different asset classes like stocks, bonds, and real estate. Stocks offer the potential for high growth, but also come with higher risk. Bonds are generally less risky, but offer lower returns. Your ideal asset allocation depends on your risk tolerance, time horizon, and financial goals. A financial advisor can help you create a personalized investment strategy. Diversification helps mitigate risk and keeps you on track for a comfortable retirement. Riding the roller coaster, staying the course during market fluctuations. Investing can be an emotional roller coaster. The market goes up, the market goes down. It's natural to feel anxious when your investments lose value. But here's the important thing: don't panic. Market fluctuations are normal. They're part of the game. What matters most is your long-term strategy. Remember, you're investing for retirement, which is years, if not decades, away. History has shown that the market tends to go up over the long term. Stay calm, stay disciplined, and stay focused on your goals. Ride out the market's ups and downs, and you'll be rewarded in the long run. Don't be a stranger. Review and adjust your strategy regularly. Setting up a Roth IRA and choosing your investments is a great start, but it's not a set it and forget it kind of thing. It's important to review and adjust your investment strategy regularly. Life changes, and so do your financial goals. Schedule regular checkups with yourself, at least once a year, to review your Roth IRA performance, assess your risk tolerance, and make adjustments as needed. By staying engaged and proactive with your Roth IRA, you can ensure that your investments are aligned with your goals. Don't be a stranger to your own financial future. Beyond the Roth IRA, supercharging your savings with a 401k. All right, savvy savers, you're maxing out that Roth IRA, you're a rock star, but we're shooting for the moon here, remember? A cool $4 million tax-free. So let's add another engine to your retirement rocket, the 401k. Many employers offer 401k plans, and some even sweeten the deal with matching contributions. That's free money, people. It's like getting a bonus just for saving for your future. With a 401k, you contribute pre-tax dollars, lowering your taxable income today. Plus, your money grows tax-deferred. By combining it with your tax-free Roth IRA, you're creating a powerful 1-2 punch for a financially secure and tax-efficient retirement. Unlocking real estate, building wealth brick by brick. Ready to diversify beyond the stock market? Let's talk real estate, baby. Owning property can be a fantastic way to build long-term wealth and diversify your portfolio. Real estate is a bit more hands-on than stocks or bonds, but it can generate passive income, appreciate in value, and provide some sweet tax advantages. You could invest in rental properties, flip houses for profit, or even explore REITs, real estate investment trusts, for a more passive approach. Research and due diligence are key before diving into any real estate venture. Property can be a valuable piece of your $4 million tax-free retirement puzzle. Diving into the stock market, owning your piece of the pie. All right, thrill seekers, let's talk stocks. Investing in the stock market can be a wild ride, but it also offers the potential for significant growth. After all, you're buying a piece of ownership in some of the world's most innovative and profitable companies. Now, I know what you're thinking. Stocks are risky, and you're right, they can be. But remember, with risk comes reward. By investing for the long haul and diversifying your holdings, you can manage that risk and potentially reap substantial rewards. Do your homework, research different companies and industries, and consider your risk tolerance before diving in. Investing in the stock market isn't about getting rich quick, it's about building wealth over time. The power of diversification, spreading your wings for financial security. By now, you're probably realizing that building a $4 million tax-free retirement account isn't about putting all your eggs in one basket. It's about creating a diversified portfolio that can weather any storm. Think of diversification like an investment umbrella. When the rain comes pouring down, aka market downturns, your umbrella keeps you dry. By spreading your investments across different asset classes, Roth IRA, 401k, real estate, stocks, you're creating that protective umbrella. Diversification is key to minimizing risk, maximizing returns, and building a solid foundation for a financially secure and tax-efficient retirement. So spread your wings and watch your wealth soar. The long game consistency is key. Building a $4 million tax-free retirement account isn't a get-rich-quick scheme, it's a long game. It requires patience, discipline, and most importantly, consistency. Think of it like training for a marathon. You don't just wake up one day and run 26.2 miles. You train consistently, week after week, month after month. Saving for retirement is the same way. Make consistent contributions to your Roth IRA, your 401k, and your other investments. Even small, regular contributions can grow into a substantial sum over the long haul. Stay focused on your goals. The long game is where the real magic happens. Weathering the storms, overcoming challenges on your path to millions. The journey to financial freedom isn't always smooth sailing. You'll encounter market downturns, economic recessions, and unexpected expenses along the way. But don't let these challenges derail your plans. Remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. There will be ups and downs. The key is to stay calm, ride out the storms, and stick to your long-term strategy. Build an emergency fund to cover unexpected expenses so you don't have to dip into your retirement savings. Diversify your investments to mitigate risk. Stay focused on your goals, and you'll weather any storm on your path to financial freedom. Don't go it alone. Seek expert advice for financial success. You don't have to navigate the world of investing alone. Seeking guidance from a qualified financial advisor can be invaluable, especially as your financial situation becomes more complex. A financial advisor can help you create a personalized retirement plan, choose the right investments for your risk tolerance and goals, and make adjustments as your life changes. They can also provide objective advice and emotional support during turbulent market conditions. Think of a financial advisor as your financial coach. They can help you stay on track, make informed decisions, and avoid costly mistakes. Surround yourself with experienced professionals who can guide you towards your financial goals. Section 4. Your $4 million blueprint. Putting it all together for a tax-free retirement. Congratulations! You've reached the final stage of our $4 million tax-free retirement blueprint. Now it's time to put all the pieces together and start building the retirement of your dreams. Remember the key takeaways. Start early, maximize your Roth IRA contributions, leverage the power of compound interest, diversify your investments, and seek expert advice when needed. Visualize your ideal retirement. What do you want your life to look like? Where do you want to live? What do you want to do? Having a clear vision of your goals will keep you motivated and focused on your savings journey. The most important step is to take action. Don't wait for the perfect time to start saving. The best time is now. Every dollar you invest today is a dollar that has more time to grow tax-free. So, what are you waiting for? Start building your $4 million tax-free retirement today. Section 1. Recapping the journey, your path to $4 million. We've covered a lot of ground on our journey to building a $4 million tax-free retirement. From the power of the Roth IRA to the magic of compound interest, from diversifying your investments to weathering market storms, you've learned the essential strategies for securing your financial future. Remember, it all starts with a plan. By setting clear goals, maximizing your contributions, and choosing the right investments for your risk tolerance, you can create a roadmap to reach your $4 million destination. Building wealth takes time, discipline, and a sprinkle of savvy. But as you've seen, it's an achievable goal for anyone willing to put in the effort. And with the right strategies in place, you can enjoy the fruits of your labor tax-free during your golden years. So let's take a moment to celebrate how far you've come and acknowledge the exciting possibilities that await you on the road to financial freedom. Section 2. You've got this. Embracing the power of financial empowerment. You've taken a huge step today by investing your time in learning about retirement planning. Knowledge is power, and now you have the tools to take control of your financial destiny. No more feeling overwhelmed or intimidated by financial jargon. No more relying on luck or hoping for the best. You are in the driver's seat, and you have the power to create the future you desire. Remember, you don't have to do it alone. Surround yourself with supportive friends, family, and financial professionals who can guide and encourage you along the way. Embrace this journey with excitement and confidence. You've got this. To Section 3. Time to shine. Start building your dream retirement today. The future is yours to create, and it all starts with taking action today. Don't let procrastination or fear hold you back from achieving your financial dreams. Open that Roth IRA. Schedule that meeting with a financial advisor. Make that first investment. Every step you take, no matter how small, brings you closer to your $4 million goal. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Take that step today and watch in amazement as your consistent efforts transform your financial future. Thank you for joining me on this incredible journey. Now go out there and make your dreams a reality.